Simetrik Training by Vistasparks Solutions, master modern financial reconciliation, transaction automation, and data control processes with our comprehensive Simetrik Training program. Learn how to automate reconciliation workflows, validate large volumes of transactional data, and improve operational accuracy using the powerful Simetrik no-code reconciliation platform. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations streamline financial operations, reduce manual errors, enhance compliance, and gain real-time visibility into transaction management process. Contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Master Simetrik is a comprehensive solution designed to automate various aspects of financial management. With expert Simetrik Training by Vistasparks Solutions, you can gain the necessary expertise to implement this solution effectively. Our training programs cater to both individual professionals and corporate entities, providing flexible scheduling options to accommodate different needs. Upon completing our courses, participants receive certification, ensuring they have acquired the required knowledge and skills to drive financial automation success. By partnering with us, you can empower your team with the tools, skills, and confidence needed to lead Simetrik implementations and streamline your financial operations. Our customized corporate training programs are tailored to meet the specific requirements of each organization, allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your business while we handle the training needs of your team. Whether you're looking to enhance your individual performance or transform your entire organization, our expert Simetrik Training is the ideal choice. Join us today and take the first step towards achieving financial automation excellence. The company has been using manual processes for its financial operations for many years. The manual processes are time-consuming, prone to errors, and hinder productivity. The company needs to adopt a more efficient system that can automate its financial operations. The traditional finance teams rely heavily on manual data entry, which can lead to costly mistakes and reconciliation headaches. This process is prone to errors, causing frustration and wasted resources. These manual workflows hinder decision-making by providing outdated information, as leaders are only able to view yesterday's numbers. This lack of real-time visibility hinders effective decision-making, resulting in delayed responses to changing market conditions. Additionally, the pressure to comply with evolving regulations adds stress to already lean teams, making audits more challenging and time-consuming. These challenges highlight the need for a more efficient and automated approach to finance operations. Simetrik is a robust and enterprise-grade platform that automates financial reconciliation, compliance, and reporting workflows. It handles complex financial data with speed, accuracy, and confidence. Many organizations trust Simetrik as it provides them with the tools they need to streamline their financial processes. By using Simetrik, finance, accounting, and compliance teams can improve their efficiency and productivity. They can also focus on higher-level tasks, such as strategy development and decision-making. The company provides training programs that cater to both individuals and teams. The training programs are designed to be flexible and accommodate different schedules. The company offers customized corporate training programs to meet the specific needs of each organization. These programs are tailored to provide the necessary skills and knowledge for financial automation. The company also provides certification upon completion of its courses. This certification demonstrates a person's commitment to financial automation. The company offers a range of services to support the implementation of financial automation. These services include financial planning, budgeting, and cash flow management. The company's goal is to help organizations achieve their financial goals through effective financial automation. The company's mission is to empower individuals and teams to take control of their finances and make informed decisions. The company's vision is to create a world where financial automation is the norm. The company has been working on developing a new product that will be released soon. The product is expected to have a significant impact on the industry. The development team has been working tirelessly for months to meet the deadline. Their hard work and dedication are truly appreciated. The company is committed to providing its employees with the resources they need to succeed. The employees are excited about the upcoming release and are eager to contribute their expertise to make it happen. The company's leadership is confident in the success of the project and is committed to supporting the team throughout the process. Automating reconciliation processes can help eliminate manual errors that occur during this process. This automation can also streamline regulatory reporting, making it easier for organizations to comply with laws and regulations. Real-time financial data can provide leaders with valuable insights into their organization's financial performance. These insights enable leaders to make informed decisions about investments, resource allocation, and other business strategies. Furthermore, implementing compliance and audit-ready systems can ensure that an organization maintains its integrity and avoids potential fines or penalties. By automating these processes, organizations can reduce human error, increase efficiency, and ultimately improve their overall performance. Comprehensive Simetrik curriculum is composed of 6 structured modules. These modules are designed to take you from foundational concepts to enterprise-level mastery. The curriculum is comprehensive, covering all aspects necessary for success in Simetrik. With this curriculum, you will gain the knowledge and skills required to implement Simetrik effectively. The modules are carefully crafted to ensure that you have a solid foundation in Simetrik before moving on to more advanced topics. By completing these modules, you will be well prepared to tackle complex challenges and achieve mastery in Simetrik. The Simetrik platform is designed to automate financial processes, providing users with an efficient way to manage their finances. The platform offers a range of tools and features that enable users to streamline their financial operations, including automated workflows, reporting, and analytics. The platform is built on a modular architecture, allowing users to customize and extend its functionality as needed. This allows users to tailor the platform to meet their specific needs and requirements. The platform is also highly scalable, making it suitable for large-scale financial institutions and organizations. Standardizing and integrating financial data from multiple sources is crucial for effective data management. Configuring API connections and creating mappings between different data formats enables efficient data import and management. Accurate field mapping and seamless integration across systems are also ensured by this process. Integrating data from major ERP systems like SAP and Oracle demands meticulous configuration and management to prevent performance issues. The use of appropriate techniques and tools facilitates successful data import and mapping, ultimately benefiting an organization by unlocking its full potential. Automating end-to-end workflows allows us to eliminate repetitive tasks and accelerate our financial close. We set up end-to-end automation for core financial processes, such as accounts payable and accounts receivable, and deploy and configure these workflows. We also design and build sophisticated multi-step reconciliation workflows, which enable us to reconcile multiple accounts simultaneously. Furthermore, we create reusable workflow templates that maximize efficiency. By automating these tasks, we can streamline our financial operations and improve productivity. This enables us to focus on higher value tasks and drive business growth. Automating reconciliation and compliance processes can significantly improve operational efficiency and accuracy. By implementing real-time reconciliation and automating critical compliance practices, organizations can minimize manual intervention and reduce errors. This enables faster detection and correction of discrepancies, ensuring regulatory reports are generated accurately and promptly. Moreover, automating these processes allows for more effective management of risk and ensures compliance with relevant regulations. By leveraging technology, organizations can streamline their financial close cycle and enhance decision-making capability. In addition, automating error detection and correction enables organizations to identify and address potential issues earlier, reducing the likelihood of material errors or non-compliance. Overall, investing in automated reconciliation and compliance solutions can have a substantial impact on an organization's ability to operate efficiently and effectively, ultimately leading to improved financial performance and reduced costs. Step 1. Rewrite the given text in full sentences only. Transforming raw financial data into actionable insights is a crucial step in making informed business decisions. Step 2. Remove introductions and thank you messages from the rewritten text. This module focuses on designing and building dynamic dashboards, automating report generation, and applying analytics to drive strategic decision-making. Step 3. Continue rewriting the text in full sentences only. You will learn how to create key performance indicators, KPIs, tailored to your business needs and schedule these reports to be generated automatically on demand. Step 4. Complete rewriting the text in full sentences only. By the end of this module, you will have the skills to apply analytics to support data-driven strategic decisions, which will lead to better informed business outcomes. The final answer is, the company has been using a traditional approach to automate its processes, relying on generic templates and predefined rules. However, this method does not provide sufficient flexibility for the organization's evolving needs. As a result, the company is seeking to upgrade its automation platform to one that offers advanced customization and scaling capabilities. The current system is unable to handle the complexity of the organization's operations, leading to inefficiencies and delays. The company is looking for an alternative solution that can accommodate its growing requirements and provide seamless scalability. The benefits of Simetrik Training can be seen in various roles within an organization. These include accountants, auditors, financial analysts, and other financial professionals who need to understand the intricacies of financial automation. Additionally, teams responsible for managing financial operations, such as controllers, treasurers, and financial managers, will also benefit from this training. Furthermore, IT professionals and developers who work on implementing and maintaining financial systems will find Simetrik Training valuable. Any team or individual involved in financial operations, whether it's processing transactions, managing accounts, or analyzing financial data, can gain insights and skills from Simetrik Training. This comprehensive training program is designed to equip these professionals with the necessary knowledge and expertise to effectively implement and manage financial automation solutions. By investing in Simetrik Training, organizations can enhance their overall financial performance and efficiency. The company provides expert guidance and training to help organizations achieve their goals through the use of Simetrik's automation capabilities. The training is designed to support various stakeholders, including finance professionals, compliance teams, data and BI, analysts, ERP, and IT, integrators, accountants, and corporate teams. The training covers topics such as workflow optimization, audit readiness, and business intelligence. It also focuses on integrating Simetrik with enterprise systems and APIs, enabling a seamless flow of financial data and regulatory requirements. The training is delivered in a flexible manner, allowing participants to learn at their own pace. The training is available to students, graduates, managers, leaders, early career professionals, and decision-makers who seek to build a competitive edge by driving transformation and digital finance. By leveraging Simetrik's automation capabilities, participants can evaluate the return on investment, ROI, and make informed decisions about implementing automation solutions. The company provides expert advice on digital finance transformation for various industries. The team has extensive experience in implementing digital finance solutions, such as Master Simetrik. They work closely with clients to understand their unique requirements and develop customized training programs that cater to their specific needs. The trainers are experienced professionals who ensure a seamless integration of new systems into existing processes. The company offers flexible scheduling options to accommodate different schedules and allows clients to start working with Master Simetrik immediately. The ultimate goal is to equip clients with the necessary knowledge and skills to successfully implement Master Simetrik and achieve operational excellence. The organization provides expert-led training on industry-relevant skills such as career advancement and automation expertise. The curriculum is designed around real-world applications, providing participants with a measurable competitive edge. By acquiring this knowledge, participants can reduce costly errors, eliminate redundant tasks, and gain access to the latest automation techniques used by top finance organizations. Furthermore, the training enables participants to generate actionable, board-ready reports and learn from seasoned finance and technology professionals who have deep expertise in the Simetrik platform. This expertise empowers teams to improve operational efficiency and make data-driven insights more accessible. Participants can acquire the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in their careers through the training. The company has been experiencing significant financial difficulties due to various factors such as inflation, economic downturns, and increased competition. The current financial management system is outdated and inefficient, resulting in manual errors, delays, and wasted resources. To address these issues, the company needs to transform its financial operations by implementing an automated system that can handle complex financial transactions with ease. This will enable the finance team to focus on high-value tasks such as financial planning, risk management, and regulatory compliance. Additionally, the new system should provide real-time insights into financial performance, enabling the team to make informed decisions quickly. Furthermore, the system should be able to integrate with other business systems, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration between departments. By adopting an automated financial management system, the company can reduce costs, increase productivity, and enhance overall financial performance. Master Simetrik offers a range of corporate training programs that cater to the needs of various industries. These programs are designed to equip your team with the necessary tools, skills, and confidence to implement Simetrik successfully. The training covers topics such as data analytics, process optimization, and digital transformation. By investing in these programs, you can empower your team to lead digital finance transformations. Our training programs are highly customizable to meet the specific requirements of each organization. This allows you to tailor the content to suit your company's unique needs and goals. Upon completion of our courses, participants will receive certification, which ensures they have the knowledge required to excel in financial automation. Our experienced trainers will guide you through the entire learning process, providing support and resources to help you achieve success. We offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate different work schedules and preferences. You can start your training program immediately, without any delay. Simply reach out to us at Vistasparks Solutions to learn more about our corporate training offerings.